the field office OIC tonight, our amateur bout, before we proceed to our... Louder! Okay, thank you very much. May we call our first bout for our amateur category this evening. This is for the 60 kilograms weight limit. Edito Imbrado, representing Zamboanga, versus John Lloyd Labina, representing General Santos City. This is an exhibition fight. Okay, I'm calling the attention of the two fighters to come up the ring now. And after this first bout, we will proceed to the next bout for 55 kilogram weight limit. Vince Pagduan of General Santos City versus Joa Cinco from General Santos City. Wearing the black with gold trim crowns, the fighter from Zamboanga, Edito Imbrado. He's upon the cross ring, fighting out of the blue corner, representing General Santos City, Philippines, fighter John Lloyd Labina.
Mag-start yung
professional this bout,
fight tayo na
Jason Mama. This is the 3-round contest, 2 minutes per round.
Beginning of the first round.
The start of the first round. Morado, wearing the black with gold, against John Lloyd Labina from Jensen, wearing the blue with red and white trimmers.
Parehas magaling yung mga boxer na to. May mga future. So good job from Imbrado. Good counter from naka-blue. I don't know ano yung full name niya. So nice 1-2. Counter naman by Imbrado. Nice again. Body shot. Ito kung naka-blue kasi nag-initiate siya palagi ng 1-2. Kahit partner start no? We're here sa first bout natin.
This is only 2 minutes now. 2 minutes per round contest.
Nice counter by Imbrado.